There are some instances that your pop machine, it says everything is sold out, but there are still pop inside. So let's say if you put a 20, it says everything is sold out. So the problem is you have to check you see everything is still full. You have to check the fuse here because the fuse is connected to the main board that controls the motors. So I'll show you the fuse. So yesterday I took out this fuse from the pop machine, and obviously it's blown. This is a fast this is a fast blow fuse. So I don't have time to buy a fast blow fuse since the electronic stores are closed on the weekends. So what I'll do is I'll put a temporary solution by installing slow blow fuse. It will still work, but once you find the parts for a fast blow fuse, you have to change it or else it will fry your main board. I'm going to check now the rating. So this is I cannot see clearly. So I put the fuse there, then it should work. So let's try it out, see if everything works. So everything works now. But I put the wrong type of fuse. It's 20 amps. It's supposed to be only 4 amps. So this is a temporary solution. But you have to get the proper rating on the next visit. So everything is working now.